beach, and there's a lot of animals here, like seals. They're bellowing out there. It's a bellowing orchestra.
What kind of instruments are they bellowing in the orchestra?
That one right there is playing a tuba, and the rest of them are doing percussion and woodwind.
Good. What do you think about this beach?
It's really great. I've been saving a lot of starfish.
What else?
The jellyfish live here, and a horseshoe crab is coming for me.
It was?
Yeah. But you don't want to get in a black suit and dive under.
Why?
Because they're sharks.
And what will the shark think you are?
A fish.
Or a seal?
Yeah, and they could eat you.
Oh.
Yeah, but do you know what's the bad news?
What's the bad news?
The blood can attract sharks, and the blood will bring the shark right to you.
Oh.
And there's some chickadee footprints.
Yeah? What else?
Here's a little chickadee.
What's your favorite part of this beach?
The bellowing.
The bellowing?
Yeah, there's a lot of crabs here too.
Really?
Yeah, even piranhas live here.
Piranhas? I don't know about piranhas.
Why? This is an ocean. Piranhas live in oceans. So there must be a sunken ship down there.
Yeah?
Hey, look at that tiny stream.
Do you want to come back here next year?
And let's move back now, like this way.
This way?
Yeah. Little more towards those birds back there.
Okay, you want to run and show me?
Yeah, over there.
Where? Okay, go see.
Okay, this is a good spot now. You can come now. You can come now.
Okay. Okay, I'm about to stop the movie, so tell me one last thing you love about Chatham.
Why? You gotta go over here to that little tiny pond.
Oh, okay. What's with the tiny pond?
This pond. I'm gonna show you some of the rocks that can swim.
Okay, show me.
See? Water. Now see, it's bouncing.
All right, buddy. Keep that rock.
And let's go back to Daddy now and tell him our adventure.
Okay, wave bye.